But in the UK, all overseas, it's Mandela, my prisoner, my friend. I just launched it now the 3rd of March in UK, the 12th of March in Hamburg, and then in Dubai. But it will be available in 16 countries. It's in Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, all these languages, and English.
Norwegian, not yet?
I'm not sure. I think they're also in the list. I can't remember. But there's 16 different languages. But America, I know it will be only next year, after March.
These Norwegians, all of them.
Mr. Can you turn it this way? Thank you.
Okay. Thanks.
Just give a little story.
I started work 1978 in Robben Island as a prison guard. Like I was 18 years old, left school, direct from school to Robben Island. We were been told we're going to meet the biggest criminals in the history of South Africa. So we land here, start working in a section where Mandela and others was kept. I was looking for the criminal elements, but I didn't see anything with tattoos on their faces. So I just see old people standing up from the floor, very polite, friendly. And then later I found out they were terrorists to try to overthrow our country. Immediately I have a hate towards these guys because some of my friends died on military camps on the borders fighting the terrorists of the country that time. But after a few months I start finding out this is like different type of people. It's not really the terrorists to kill our people, but I was understand what they was fighting for, what they were standing for, what they were looking for. So I start becoming closer friends with Mandela after I smuggled the baby, and we become friends. He was helping me with a motorcycle accident. Then 1982 I was transferred away from Robben Island to Portsmouth prison. Worked them there till 1988 to Victor Verster prison. Then a release of Nelson Mandela, and after release I worked with him in Parliament and later with the drafting of the new constitution. After that was adopted, I was just seeing him, visiting him on a regular basis till before he get really sick. And after that I made a promise to the old man because he was sending a lady to me to write my book at the end, and he wanted my book to be launched last year. He said himself he wanted to be there. If he can't be there, his daughter will be there. End of the day he gets sick, he was ended up in hospital, and after that he passed away. My book was supposed to be launched in October last year. We delayed it for March, and his daughter Zinzi Mandela traveled with me to London, UK to launch the book there. She was part of my book launch in London. That's a promise she made to her father, and I also promised him that my book will be available last year. But anyway, we delayed for this. Now you can buy it in a Gateway shop. I see it's up there. In the waterfront is there. But the covers have changed. Abroad is just Mandela's cover on the front page in a black cover with his fist up saying Mandela, my prisoner, my friend. But in South Africa, me and Mandela and Robben Island is on the cover. That's a little bit different. Thank you. Enjoy your trip. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you.